This is coming along. Obviously, I mean, it's kind of boring so far. It's coming along, but it's still pretty boring. So what if we wanted to have these rocks, some of the rocks just have the rock texture again? What we could do, maybe duplicate one. Maybe I don't want this one to have moss on it. I just want it to be the rock as it was. Well, if I look at its material here, I just need to recreate the material but not do all that other stuff. So I'm just going to duplicate this. Can duplicate a texture here. We could call this Rocky Moss Set. We could just, yeah. We could just call this Rock No Moss. And now we've got a texture here that we're just, a shader here that we're just going to not do all that other stuff. So it's just a rock. Because maybe, I feel like a lot of the rocks in here wouldn't have moss, as much moss on them anyway. Now, what if we wanted to have a stream? I didn't actually do this in the other one, but what if we wanted to have a stream coming down? How could we do that? How could we do that? In fact, this rock, maybe if this is going to have a stream, maybe I don't want the grass to be on this one. So that means I just change it to the other one. Rock, no moss. Boom. And maybe I want... Okay, so see here, maybe there's a stream coming down from this section. So let's change this one to rock, no moss. Actually, I'm going to duplicate. Change this one to rock, no moss. Okay, so maybe we want a stream kind of trickling down here. It should be as simple as just making an object to do it and giving it the water material. Let's use a plane. I think that will just be easier to think about. RZ, move that over there. Move it up. Change it to water. And yeah. Extrude, come down, scale down, yeah, plane is just simpler. Don't need to overcomplicate it. Just planes coming out. Okay, so that's a little bit harsh, so all we want to do is select these edges, Control B, bevel them. Maybe a bit more detail. Control B, give them a bit more. Scrolling with the mouse wheel to give them more edges. Maybe move them up a tiny bit. We don't want to move them up too much. Tab back to edit mode, right click, shade smooth. Not too bad. We can fix it a little bit, just adding a bit more geometry and spaces. And making sure it's not clipping. So maybe I could even just guide it a little bit more. Now that I've got that, I can make it make more sense by bringing in geometry from here. Just giving it a reason to be the shape that it is. And now it kind of gives the impression that it's flowing, which is kind of nice. Cool. All right, not bad. Not bad. I'll take it. Okay, so to recap everything that we've done to this point, we made the base terrain, we added in some textures, we got them from various sources on the internet, we broke up the textures, then we added in rocks, we got rocks from Polyhaven, then we broke up our textures, we used noise to break up the grass texture, initially. Then we used a smart shader. We made our own smart shader to use the normals of these rocks to define where we want it to interact when blend them with grass. We added water, then we added distortion onto our water to make it more realistic. We got nice reflections, and we added a little waterfall stream.